Good morning, everyone. So today is currently March 1st, and it is 9:54 in the morning. So we are getting ready to leave. We're getting ready to go pay the bills, do all this bunch of stuff, and then possibly get a new vehicle. Depends whatever we can find. It's in our price range. So I just figured that since we are going to be really super busy today, I would take you guys along with. So yeah, I am going to go ahead and get ready and then get the kids ready. So I will see you guys back here in a minute. So I'm in the closet right now getting mine and Babe's shirts. We're wearing our Holler Boys shirts, and then I'm wearing black leggings. So I'll see you guys back in a minute. Okay, so I am all dressed. As you can see, I'm wearing my Holler Boy shirt. Taking this one, my backer, my bill book, and of course, my purse.
Well, you won't need it.
Obviously.
You won't be that one
So, now I need to get my hoodie and then I'll be ready to go. But first, we're going to go to the bank, get the money off the card so we can get another vehicle. So, yeah, I guess I will see you guys when we get in the truck. So, welcome back to another part of the vlog. It is currently 10:44 now. We are getting ready to go to Grayson right now. Like I said, I'm going to try to vlog this whole day. If I don't vlog any parts of it, that's because I got too busy and forgot all about it. So, just bear with me. I'm trying to vlog this whole day. We've got a lot of bills to do. So, I mean, I did this whole booklet right here for bills and important stuff. And since I got this notebook the other day, that's all I've done is a bunch of math. Like, nobody knows how much math I've done in the last 72 hours. So, this book here has got all of our bills, what we need to pay, what we need to do first. So, I mean, like, the water, the electric, Wi-Fi, our cell phone bills. So, yeah, I will see you guys back here in a little while. Hey, everyone. So, welcome back to another part of the vlog. So, now it is currently 2:01. So, like I said, it is 2:01 in the afternoon. So, we're sitting here at Grayson Lake for a little bit because, well, he had to go pee, so. And, well, I kind of made a big girl purchase. And if you guys are wondering what I got, it is a 07 Impala. I got me another Impala. So, like my old car I used to have, the gray one, I got me a red one this time. Okay, everyone, so now it is 3:18. Like I said a while ago in the previous clip, I got a 07 Impala, like the gray one that I had before. But you guys know we give it back because, you know, there was a lot of mechanical problems with it and everything. So, I actually got me another one. We was looking for a SUV or a van or something, third row seating, because, you know, we got a lot more people and stuff. But, you know, we couldn't find anything in our price range or anything. So, you know, I went with the Impala because, you know, I loved the other one that we had, and everybody did sit comfortable. So, and I'm not going to say how much we give for it, but we did buy it full price, you know. No payment, like monthly payments or anything. It is mine. It is in my name. So I actually have my car. And I know everybody will be like, well, you know, blah 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 and stuff. But to me and him, it's not just my car. It's mine and his, you know. To me and him, it don't really matter whose name's on the title or what, you know. We both know it's ours. But I'm just saying that, you know, for law purposes or anything, it is mine. But I just wanted to clear that out of the way and let you guys know about it and everything. The only thing it really needs is an oil change. Not really an oil change, but a quart of oil, washer fluid, what else was it?
Yeah.
And a good, nice scrubbing, a cleaning. Everything else is perfect because the gray Impala, which I named it my Gray Ghost, it had power steering pump was bad, the wheel bearings were bad, we changed the front brakes, transmission was going out, so just about everything you could possibly think of was wrong with the Gray Ghost. So that's why we give it back. And I've been sitting here, you know, missing it. And I was wanting an Equinox or at least, you know, a Traverse. But I couldn't find it in our price range. And then I told him, I said that if we couldn't get a SUV or another van, because at JCA, we did see another Nissan Quest like we had before as well. But it had a lot more problems wrong with it than what we can name. So I told him, I said that if we can't find an SUV or a van, I want a car. We can fix the truck and we all can still ride. We all still can ride in the truck comfortable. So we went to Ashland today and found the Impala, which you guys know I love Impalas and I love the Chevy Cruzes, which there's one in front of us right now. I don't know why, it's just the Cruze I am literally obsessed with. But I've been rambling on so much about how we got the car and stuff, but I just also wanted to let you guys know that we are heading back to Ashland to go pick it up, because where I ain't got my actual license yet, I can't drive it home. So he has to drive it home, and then there'll be nobody driving the truck. So, you know, we're picking somebody up so they can drive it. And then we can drive the car home. So I will see you guys back in the next clip. Hey everyone, so now it is currently 5:35 in the afternoon. As you guys can see, we are in the car. As you guys can see. So now, like I said, I got an 07 Impala, just like the gray one we had, which, like I said, I called it my Gray Ghost, and this one here is red, so I am naming it Red Velvet. So I will show you guys a full walk around of Red Velvet later, or in the morning. The only thing that, like, body wise, it's just got a few little scratches, and the trim on the door, on the back door, is missing. But hey, I'm not complaining. I got me another Impala. I'm happy. So yay. Now we are fixing ready to head to Walmart. Well, so I will see you guys back here in a while. I figured I'd give you guys a little update and let you guys see what the inside of the car looks like. So I will see you guys in a little while, because I'm going to listen to some music on the aux cord. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to another part of this vlog. So today is currently Wednesday, March 2nd, and it is like 12:50 in the afternoon. I am filming on my new phone that I got yesterday. I got the Motorola One 5G. It's the one that's got 4 cameras and it looks like a ring light around it, but I ain't figured that out yet. And this phone has 128 gigabytes of storage. So I have plenty of storage for all my apps that I use every day, plus all my editing apps. So I'm in love with this phone. And I got it free because I switched from the little track phones. I switched from this phone right here, which was like the Walmart brand track phones. I switched from it to Cricket, so. And my bill's only like $80 a month for there. So yeah. So it is like almost 70 some degrees already, and it's just now almost 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I figured since it's almost like 70 some degrees, why not take the kids outside and let them play for a little bit, because when Babe gets back, because he's got the car to work today, when he gets back, I'll show you guys a little full walk around of my red velvet, which obviously is my car. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I take the kids outside. Huh? You guys like it outside so far? Mm-hmm. So here's the sky today. It is really, really beautiful today, as you can see. So this is the only part of outside I'm showing you guys. Otherwise, now I ain't showing you guys anything else. Cheese. Say cheese. Say cheese. Yeah. Go play. What? You want to say cheese again? You want to say cheese?
My fire. Look, my fire.
Mm-hmm. You finally found the flower.
Yes, I found my fire.
Are you happy with your flower? And what did Bubby find? Did Bubby find leaves? No, you're sitting on the ground, but okay. Look at me. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Look, my fire.
Yeah, you found plenty of flowers.
Yes, my fire. My fire more. My fire more. My fire more.
Did you find more?
My fire more. My fire more.
Mm-hmm.
My fire
Look.
more.
Show the camera. Show the camera. Say look. Say look. Say look.
Look,
Look.
Bobby cakes.
Yeah. Bubby playing with a stick? Quit hitting. Get it. Get it.
Look, my fire.
Yeah. Did you find the flowers?
Yes. Wow. Like a door.
Yeah, did it break?
What?
Did it break?
Yes. What? Uh-oh. Number 4. Number 1.
Mm-hmm.
Like a door.
Yeah, you found the flower again? Yeah. Alright. Run and play. You gonna run and play? Woof woof.
Meow.
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 Meow. Nope. Quit. Not in that.
Whoa.
Easy.
Whoa.
Okay, so now it is currently 3:46 in the afternoon. I just now got done finishing paying every other bill that we owed. I just now did all that rest of it on the phone, so that's the reason why I ain't recording anything since I took the kids outside. So now I'm just waiting on Babe to come home. We are going to go to the courthouse so we can get the car officially transferred into my name. And then after we get done with that, we got to go to Walmart for some things, and then that is just about everything. And then I got a haul video to do tonight, and then I think Babe does too, because he got a lot of fishing stuff yesterday. And then I also got to go to the dollar store and then take these two somewhere special. So I will see you guys in the next clip here, well, next couple of seconds. Okay, so we're going to the courthouse right now. As you guys can see, we're in the car. We're going to the courthouse right now to get this here finished up, what we need to get done, and then gotta wait till he gets home from school, and then we're gonna go finish out what else we need to do for today. And actually, this camera is so much better vlogging than the Style 06. So I will see you guys back here in a minute. Okay, so as you guys can see, this is what it looks like on the inside here. I am really super excited because ever since we let the Gray Ghost go back, I've missed having an Impala. Like, this is my car. It suits me, you know. I still want a Chevy Cruze. Don't get me wrong. I still want a Chevy Cruze. But honestly, you know, I think a Impala like this is so much better, honestly. So that is the reason why I say that. This vlog ain't going to be a whole long 30, 40, 50 minute video. It's only probably going to be like probably at least 20 or 30 minutes. But I got all of our bills caught up, like finished getting caught up and stuff. Well, that is March's bills to next month. Like I said, we still need to go to dollar store, Walmart. And then where I was talking about somewhere special tonight is after we get done doing every part of our running that we need to get done, we are going to go to Mom's tonight. And if not tonight, it'll be tomorrow. Because I also know that tonight sometime I am going to be driving today as well. Which right now I don't feel like it. I need some more caffeine. Just one L8 didn't do it today. But I am fixing to take me a tube, as always, and then turn on some music because I am wanting to listen to some music on my new phone here. So I will see you guys back, actually for sure, in another clip. Okay, so now it is 6:17 in the afternoon. We've got everything done in Grayson that needed to be done today. Now we are going to go pick up the kids from the babysitter. And then we are going to go to Walmart again. Because I am going to get a printer just in case if we need it for like the bank stuff, you know, doctors, whatever. I won't have to go to the library and get it printed out. I can sit it right there at the house and do it. So that's what I'm thinking about doing. So we're gonna go pick the kids up and then we're gonna go to Walmart. So I probably won't record anything else until we get at Walmart. If I don't record anything at Walmart, I'm sorry. I just don't feel like recording at Walmart because I have pretty much recorded all day today and been super busy. So I guess I will see you guys back in the next clip. Okay, so you guys remember I told you guys that about the car and stuff. So now I am going to show you guys the car. So here is my new car. As you guys can see, I got another Impala. As you guys can see, see like some of the trim is missing. As you guys can see, time I'm out here showing you guys, there is a deer right here behind my house, as you guys can see, and it's literally not even that far from me. I do have this again. So here is the inside. So there's the inside again. And then the back seats. It's got 203,000 miles on it, but yeah, as you guys can see, told you guys I'd show you. Okay everyone, so now it is currently like 8:30 at night. We are here at Walmart. As you guys could see, we are in the truck because we brought everybody and there wasn't no room in the car, so we brought the truck. So I will see you guys back when we get to Walmart. You gonna say bye? You gonna say bye? You gonna say bye? another part of this vlog. So it is currently like 1:30 in the morning. We've been home for a little while, probably since about 10 o'clock. I just been busy working with a lot of stuff. I've been busy working on his phone and stuff because he got a phone just like this one, which is a Motorola 1G 5G or whatever. So that's what I've been doing, and kind of trying to clean up the bedroom and stuff, but that didn't go as planned. I got a huge Walmart haul to do. So yeah, and I figured I would let you guys know that I want to not really end this vlog, but I'm going to end today's part of the vlog so I continuing on tomorrow. So I will see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. I love you guys. Good afternoon, everyone. Another part of this vlog here. So today is currently Thursday, March 3rd, and it is actually 11:57 in the morning, which I'm calling, which is afternoon. I just now got done filming 2 or 3 videos. I filmed a Walmart haul and a unboxing to my new printer. So that is what I'm doing right now. And just now got my new phone minutes to working. So yeah, I figured I'd just let you guys know that today's vlog ain't going to be that interesting because I've already did everything the last couple of days. That I figured that today wouldn't be all that interesting because we really ain't going to go a whole lot of places today. Just gotta wait for him to get home from work first before I go anywhere. So yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in the next clip. Hey everyone, another part of the vlog. So it is currently now 1:21 in the afternoon. I just now got my FedEx package, and what my FedEx package is, it is my headlights to the car, and this box is like legit bigger than me. So we're going to unbox this here in just a few minutes. I'm trying to get some stuff moved around on my laptops from the Stylo 6 to this phone. So you guys are just going to have to hang on a little bit for that. So I'll see you guys back here in just a few minutes because I'm also editing with a new pair of headphones that I've had for probably a year and a half now that I still don't even know if they work or not. So we'll unbox this when I get this here done. Okay everyone, so now it is currently 3:12 in the afternoon. I just got ready. I'm wearing my Chucky shirt. I just now got this yesterday. You hear like dinging in the background. I'm copying music to my phone here from my laptop. So that's what I'm doing. But like I told you guys in the previous clip, I got my headlights today. So I'm going to unbox them here in a minute for you guys. So I will see you guys in a second. Okay, so you guys can see how big this box is. So I'm covering up my address and stuff, as you guys can see. So now let's go ahead and cut this thing open. Okay, so this is the first thing you see when you open the box. Sorry this ain't good quality, well, good angles or whatever. Okay, so like I said, this is the first thing you'll see. So like I said, this is the first thing you're going to see when you open the box. As you guys can see here, sorry, the kids are playing with their toys. So let's move this. And here we go. There is what they look like, as you guys can see. So I can't really take it out of the box from the way I'm sitting, but as you guys can see, it's got all the hookups to it and everything. So this is what it looks like out of the packaging, as you guys can see. And they are the smoked out headlights, as you guys can see. So, and it does come with the bulbs. I don't know if you guys can see that down there. But, yeah, I absolutely like them. Good morning, everyone. So, another part of this vlog. We've been home for probably a little while. We was not as busy as we was yesterday or whatever, but we was busy. You know, we had to go to some places, get some more items and stuff, and then we went to Mom's around 5:30-ish and stayed till about 7, and then me and Babe went back to Walmart. Me, Babe, and the kids did, and had our own little family time there. And then after that we came home, we ate supper, and then Babe's asleep now for work, and then I'm getting ready to go to sleep here soon because you guys can see I am so sleepy. I've been up for almost 24 hours again, because as soon as I went to lay down last night, Babe wakes up, and then we started talking and stuff, and then I didn't go back to sleep till about 6, and then I had to get up early this morning, and then take off, and then I've been up ever since. So I've only had like an hour's worth of sleep last night, so that is the reason why I am super, super tired and everything, and that is all we've done today. We ain't really did anything or went anywhere. I've been working with my laptops all day. My new laptop is saying that my internet ain't connecting to it. And then my old laptop, there's something wrong with the fan in it, so I have no idea what's going on there. So, and then I've been trying to help Babe get his phone fixed up and everything. And then still trying to figure out this phone for myself and stuff. So I've been just super busy. And then we also went and gave Red Velvet a bath today. Well, we went to the automatic car wash. And that is pretty much it. And I am super tired. And like I said in the previous clips, that I filmed like 2 or 3 videos. So I have some videos up for this weekend. So yeah, I guess I will see you guys in another vlog, which will probably be Saturday when we go grocery shopping. So I love you guys. Give it a big thumbs up. Go down and hit that little red subscribe button. Turn on the little bell so you know if I upload. And I'll see you guys in my next video because I am going to bed.